In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TradingView Compare tool for coins, a great feature for analyzing different cryptocurrencies side by side. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open a chart of any cryptocurrency you're interested in analyzing. If you're already familiar with TradingView, you know how intuitive it is to navigate through various charts. Start by making sure you're logged into your TradingView account for seamless access to all of its features. Once you have your crypto chart open, you'll want to click on Super Charts. This feature enhances your TradingView by providing in-depth capabilities for comparative analysis, making it an essential tool for any crypto enthusiast. The Super Charts option takes your chart's functionality to the next level. Now, it's time to compare different cryptos. Tap the plus icon, which you'll find on your chart. This icon, often referred to as the compare icon, allows you to add another cryptocurrency to your current chart. Let's say you're looking at Bitcoin and you want to compare it to Ethereum. Just search ETH and select it from the drop-down list. Once you've chosen the cryptocurrencies you want to compare, you can click on New Pane. This will open a separate pane for the crypto you just added, allowing you to independently view each asset's performance. This view will be beneficial in identifying trends and relationships between the two coins. Next, you'll want to click on Same % Scale. This step is crucial as it aligns both cryptocurrency charts to the same percentage scale, making it easier to visualize and analyze their comparative movements. It ensures that the price movements are measured accurately relative to each other, giving you clear insights. Afterward, you can add an overlay directly onto the chart. This overlay function combines all the visual data from different coins, allowing you to see their price actions in unison on one chart. This can be particularly useful for spotting correlations or patterns over a specific period. Feel free to toggle between line, bar, and candle views. Each view provides different insights and feels. For instance, the line view is excellent for clean and straightforward price representation, while bar and candle views offer more details about market trends and fluctuations. You might want to zoom in and out as well. Zooming helps in analyzing the correlation between the cryptos more closely or gives you a broader view of long-term trends. It allows you to fine-tune your analysis, focusing on the details or the big picture as needed. Finally, when you're done with your analysis or if you want to clean up your chart, you can easily remove the comparisons by clicking on Remove 5 Indicators. This will declutter your TradingView dashboard and help you focus on a new set of data. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on how to effectively use TradingView's Compare tool for your crypto trading and analysis. Happy trading, and I hope you find these insights invaluable on your journey in the world of cryptocurrency.